Goody Paddle Brush. Show off beautiful, healthier looking hair with the Goody Clean Radiance Paddle Brush with copper bristles, includes one brush. Copper Bristles. Copper bristles massage the scalp and work through the hair to reduce natural buildup and restore your hair's natural moisture balance. Flexible Cushion. Flexible cushion for added comfort. It's All Goody. Great for medium to thick hair. Goody. Goody knows that one little accessory can change everything. Goody brushes are perfect for detangling, styling and grooming. Goody is the world's most recognized manufacturer of hair styling tools and accessories and has been making hair look fabulous for over 100 years. Goody provides consumers with products inspired by the latest designer trends so they can enjoy style with value and create any look with ease. Top reviews from the United States. Great weight, easily combs through hair. Love this brush. I have very long hair and the brush easily brushes through it. I start at the ends and work up and it works great.